welcome Wingball Wei from Australia。哇，威仔咧好細隻喎，出嚟做咩咧？原來咧佢夠鐘食午餐啊！唔知有冇小朋友咧可以幫我手餵下威仔食嘢，同埋咧同佢影翻張靚相咁樣咧。Any kids would like to take photo with person may raise your hand。有興趣嘅我們車裏邊先拍咗小朋友可以舉手。不如就呢邊先啦，好唔好啊？有冇小朋友有興趣啊？第一位小朋友就好啦，就黑色衫嗰位小朋友啦，好唔好啊？大家俾啲掌聲啊，小朋友。OK， 好啦，慢慢過嚟啊嚇，小心啲啊，唔好跌親啊嚇。好啦，幫我介紹下威仔先啦。阿威仔咧係一隻彩虹級蜜鸚鵡嚟㗎，彩虹咧就係知個羽毛顏色咧好似彩虹咁靚啊。咁你個級蜜點解咧嚇？陣間解釋嘅喎。這是來自澳洲的彩虹西面鸚鵡。This is Wingball Lorry. Actually, their tongue has a brush-shaped surface in order to facilitate the collection of nectar and pollen. 好啦，唔該晒呢位小朋友。中間有冇小朋友有興趣啊 ？OK， 嗱，放低手先啊，多過一位。OK，I will count to three， 我會數三聲。One, two, three。白色衫第二行嗰個小妹妹最快啦，係啦。咦，小妹妹？係啦。好啦，咁啊，彩虹吸蜜鸚鵡，吸蜜咧就係知佢其實咧喺夜